Good day everyone. Today we have the 2018 Hyundai Grand Starex. This is going to be a full in-depth tour review of the Grand Starex. Once again, this is Patrick Reyes TV. Let's have a review. Before we start the review video, I want to give a big thanks to Hyundai Pampanga for giving me the privilege to review the 2018 Grand Starex. For more description and details, see the description box below. And before I start my review video, I want to give a big thanks and shout outs to Neki for visiting me in my shop. Happy birthday and thank you for supporting me. The exterior color is known as Hyper Metallic. And you have your two-tone design on the interior, plastic materials, and your cloth materials on the middle row. Beige in color and black. Got manual seat controls, your recliner, and your height adjustment. Seat position on the middle. Cloth materials on the seats as well. The headlights, fog lights, and the hazards. Now all windows, or both windows, are electrically powered. Only the driver's side window is automatic down. The Hyundai Starex is a light commercial four-door van built by the Hyundai Motor Company in South Korea and Indonesia since 1997. The first generation Starex was unveiled in 1997, gaining massive attention to the public. With its unique rounded shape back in 1997, it looked very modern during its time. The Starex back then also had backseat trays, wood paneling, independent rear seats, and many more. And the reason the Starex was so popular is because of its cheap price point. Now, fast forward after 20 years, we now have the facelifted second generation Starex. Still kept its purpose but with a more luxurious feel on the inside. Both back doors could be opened now and a more powerful engine is included. The Starex truly is one of the best, if not the best, family car in the market right now. And with its durable engine, low cost maintenance, and new meaner looking fascia, it's not too bad to have one today. It is no wonder the Starex is one of the best selling vans of all time in the Philippines. Go and pop the hood. The facelifted 2018 Grand Starex comes with a 2.5-liter CRDi diesel engine with VGT or Variable Geometry Turbo. It produces 170 horsepower at 3600 RPM and 441 Nm of torque at 2250 RPM. It has a fuel tank capacity of 75 liters. The facelift version is offered only with a 5-speed automatic transmission with manual mode with a rear-wheel drivetrain. You have your 5-speed automatic transmission with manual mode. You could shift via the lever right here, push it upwards for up gear and push it down for down gear. And once you put the gear on reverse, you have your rear backup camera, power outlet, and some pockets right over here. And you got your air conditioning controls, your fan speed, front defogger, rear defogger, and your different zones. Temperature for the front, and your fan speed for the back. Now, Hyundai here in Pampanga, they offer for the Grand Starex the Android-powered head unit. So this is basically not for every dealership. So this is exclusive for Hyundai Pampanga. Some more storage right over here. Cup holders. And you have plenty of features of the Android head unit. You got Bluetooth, you could connect your phone and dial your contacts wirelessly or play music. You have radio and your navigation as well, video and settings. So as you can see right here, it has Wi-Fi, and this is basically an Android tablet right in front of you. And on the gauge, you have your range right over here. So as you can see, it has 243 kilometers left. So you could press the trip button right here for other features such as the average speed. And that's basically it. On the bottom left corner of the dashboard, you get your illumination lighting. You could adjust the light of the gauges, so you could tone it down or adjust the brightness level, depending on what you want. Traction control. This one right here is the room light. So this is the light on the back right over there. You have a control for that on the driver. For the gas tank, just press this button. Let's go and check out the back seats. Now, as you all know, all Starex are always, or basically the second generation Starex, can be opened on both sides. Starex are also known for their captain seats or individual seats on the back. You could also have your middle seat right here. You could just let it down for that one. So you could have a cup holder right on the middle and some pockets in here. Or you could pull it up to have your third seat. Now on the top, you have your fan speed controls for the back air conditioning vents, your different zones. So this is the light that I was telling you about earlier. And this is the look of the 2018 Hyundai Grand Starex. Very neat design. So plenty of air conditioning vents on the back, which will surely cool the passengers aboard. Grab handle and your tow hook, or coat hook I mean. So here is the back part of the Starex. You could fold down the seats right in here, so you could have more storage on the back. As you can see, this also have railings, so you could pull the seats backwards or push it forward depending on what you want. You have your washer fluid right over here and your GPS module right on there. Here in the third row seat, you got cup holders right over there and some speakers. And as you can see, you also have some pockets for your, I don't know, documents or anything you want to put in there. Cup holders on there as well. I hope you enjoyed the full tour review of the 2018 Hyundai Grand Starex. There's a lot more to come, so please do subscribe, share, and like my videos. This is PRTV, signing out.